In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member in monday.com. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently deactivate a user without breaking anything in your existing workflows or boards. First, start by logging into your monday.com account as an admin or someone with the right permissions to manage users. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and locate your profile icon. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Administration. This will take you to the admin area, where you can manage things like users, security, and account settings. On the left-hand side of the administration page, you'll see a navigation panel. Look for the section called Directory. Click on Directory to expand it and reveal the options underneath. From the expanded list, choose Users. This is where you'll see a complete list of all the users currently in your monday.com account. Now that you're in the Users section, scroll through the list to find the specific team member you want to remove. Each user appears as a row in the table. On the left side of that row, you'll see a More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on that icon to open a small drop-down menu for that individual user. In the drop-down, select Deactivate User. This starts the removal process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to select a new owner. This is important because any boards, dashboards, or items owned by the user you're deactivating may need a new owner to keep your workflows running smoothly. Choose the appropriate person from the list, and if you want this new owner to automatically become the default owner for the deactivated user's content, check the box provided. Then click Continue. The pop-up will refresh and ask you why you're deactivating this team member. You'll see a few preset options. Select the one that best fits your situation, then click Continue again. The pop-up will reload one final time to show you how deactivating this user will affect your team's work. Read through this summary carefully. When you're sure everything looks right, check the box next to the statement that starts with, "I understand this will remove," to confirm you're aware of the impact. Finally, click the Deactivate User button at the bottom right. Once you've done that, the user is successfully removed from your active monday.com account.